everyone, welcome to another episode of Trash Talk. Today we're at the I-95 Waste Disposal Complex. This is where we take residential recycling and other materials from small businesses. And this is where the majority of the county's trash comes to get incinerated and turned into energy. The ash left over after the incineration process is also buried here. Today we're going to meet Luis Alcántara, who is one of the critical staff here at 95 who helps manage all of this waste. Hey Luis, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So I understand that you are a heavy equipment operator here at 95. Can you tell us what that means exactly?
Yeah, heavy equipment operator for us over here at 95 is that we have to operate every equipment that we have, loader, material handler, tractor trailers. As soon as the customer dump their trash, we load it in a trailer, we take it to Reworld, they burn them, and then we haul the ash to the ash pile all the way on the back of the landfill.
Okay, so that's like 3 or 4 different types of trucks, right?
Minimum, yes.
So this truck that we're walking towards, what does this do? What is it called?
This is a loader,
okay.
Rubber tire loader. Sometimes you can just spend the whole day in one equipment. Sometimes you have to jump in 3 or 4 different equipments every day.
So, Luis, what would you say is one of the most challenging aspects of the work here that is done at 95? Like, what is the most difficult thing, let's say?
It's a safety issue. It's a really dangerous job, and we have to pay attention with the customers around because we spend time with customers all day, 10 hours a day, 7 days a week, non-stop.
Okay.
So it's a danger job.
So yeah, I can imagine that sometimes you have to get down from the truck and talk to the customer and say like, hey.
Yes, because sometimes they dump stuff that they're not supposed to dump in the pile, which is like tires, paint, metal, medical stuff that they're not supposed to, you know, dead animals.
Oh my goodness.
So it's a challenge every day.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
Yes.
So what is one thing or 2 things that you would want Fairfax County residents to know about what happens here at 95?
Well, I can at least tell you one, and it's that we're running out of space.
Yeah.
With the ash situation, we're running out of space. It would be nice that if the customers are more aware of what they dumping and stuff.
Yes.
You know.
So not just bringing stuff that's incorrect or dangerous, but also maybe try to find other ways to dispose of material than just throwing it away, I'm done with it, see you later, alligator.
Definitely. That
okay,
is correct.
Cool. All right, well, thanks so much for your time, Luis. I really appreciate it. Thanks for all that you do.
Anytime.
So there you have it. The majority of the trash generated in Fairfax County comes here to I-95 to be disposed of. It's a dirty and very dangerous job, and we could not do it without Luis and all of the team here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on another episode of Trash Talk.